So now we'll see a next example, how to find product of the numbers nearing to 100. So numbers nearing to 100, so means less than 100 numbers or more than 100 numbers, like product of 92 and 98 or 93 and 97 or 94 and 89, or product of numbers more than 100, 105 and 108. So for that product of such numbers. So where this is applicable? Suppose if we are working this depreciation question, suppose we buy a machinery or an amount is there, and if the value depreciates by, say for example 4%, we will subtract 4 from 100 by 100. And if the next year it depreciates by 5% or 6%, so then we will subtract 6 from 100. Now what will be the working? So this value will be multiplied by 96 by 100 and into 100 minus 6, 94 by 100. Now how to find product of these numbers, so which are nearing to 100 and less than 100. So first we will discuss for the numbers which are less than 100. So we'll find this product using the base method of 100. So to find this value, easily we can find this product and multiply whatever the value is given, whether it is 25,000 or 50,000. So multiply this product with the value. So we get the depreciated value after 2 years, after 2 or 3 years. So here suppose, so using the base method, so here we have taken the base as 100. The numbers lesser than or more than 100 we are going to discuss. So what will be product of 98 and 96? So here we will check this 98 as how much less than 100. So it is 2 less than 100. So as we have taken the base as 100, so we should have 2 digits. So write 0. So because 100 minus 98 is 2, so we will write a 2-digit number 02. As it is less, we will take as minus. And how much is 96 less than 100? That is 4 less than 100. That is minus 04. And now to find this product of 98 and 96, so instead of multiplying 98 and 96, so multiply this 2 and 4. So what is 2 and 4 product? It is 8. So minus 2 into minus 4 is plus 8. So as it is a single digit, you add 1 0. So here we have 08. Now subtract 4 from 98 or subtract 2 from 96. So both you will get the same answer. So 98 minus 4 is 94 or 96 minus 2 is 94. So product of 98 and 96 is 9408. So now easily you can arrive at the answer. So we'll see a few more examples. So if suppose you are multiplying 97 and 89. So what is the product of 97 and 89? So as these numbers are nearing to 100, so we can use the base method and easily we can arrive at the answer. So instead of using general multiplication. So here how much is 97 less than 100? It is 3 less than 100. And how much is 89 less than 100? It is 11 less than 100. Now find product of this. 3 and 11, it is 33. Subtract 11 from 97 or 3 from 89. So both will give you the same value. So 89 minus 3, it is 86. Or 97 minus 11 is 86. So product of 97 and 89 is 8633. So within seconds you can get the answer. So we'll try one more question. So what is product of 98 and 96? 92 and 96. So this is 8 less, this is 4 less. So product of 8 and 4 is 32. Subtract 4 from 92 or 8 from 96. So we can subtract 4 from 92. So it is 88. So 8832 is the product of 92 and 96. So in the same pattern, we'll see how to find product of numbers more than 100, nearing to 100 and more than 100. So application of this concept for numbers more than 100 is, so to find the appreciated value, say suppose we are depositing an amount, so the rate percent is 7. So we'll add 7 with 100 by 100. The initial principal will be multiplied with 107 by 100, and if in the next year it is 9%, so 109 by 100. And we can easily find product of 107 and 109 and multiply that with the principal and then divide by this 100 or 100 twice or 10,000. So now we'll see how to find product of numbers more than 100 nearing to 100. Say product of 107 and 109. So here we discussed how much the number was less than 100. Here how much is 107 more than 100? It is 7 more. So 0, 7. Because of base 100 you should have 2 digits, write 0 and 7. And here how much it is more? 9 more. So product of 7 and 9, it is 63. And here we have to add 107 and 9 or add 7 and 109. Both will get the same answer. So 107 plus 9 is 116. So product is 1111663. So one more example. So product of 104 and 108. So here it is 4 more. So no need to write all this. So we can multiply 8 and 4, it is 32. Add 8 and 4, it is 12, and write 1, will get the answer. That is the same pattern we have followed. So I have written, instead of writing all this, so just multiply. So because this is 4 more, this is 8 more, product of 4 and 8, 32. Adding 8 with 4, 104, it is 112. Or just add this and write the sum. So 11232 is the product. So what will be product of 106 and 111? So this is 6 more and this is 11 more. Product of 6 and 11. So we can take this as 11 more. So 6 and 11, 66. Add 6 with 1, 11. So 11766 is the product of 106 and 111. And now we'll work out a few questions based on this concept. So now the questions given here is, find the product of 97 and 94. And the second question, find the product of 91 and 98. The third one, find the product of 107 and 108. And fourth, find the product of 109 and 112. So using the base method, so can you find the answers? Please just pause the video for a few seconds and try to get these answers. So we'll discuss the answers. So what is the answer for the first question? It is product of 97 and 94. So hope within seconds you would have got the answers. Now how much is 97 less than 100? It is 3 less. This is 6 less. So product of 3 and 6, it is 18. Subtract 3 from 94 or 6 from 97. So when you subtract 3 from 94, it is 91. So product is 9118. So hope you would have got this answer. So we'll find for the second question. So product of 91 and 98. So Now what's the answer? So how much is 91 less than 100? 9 less. And how much is 98 less than 100? 2 less. So product of 9 and 2 is 18. Subtract 2 from 91 and is 89. So product of 91 and 98 is 8918. So you can see that within seconds, without any heavy working, we can find product of this type of questions. So where it has real application in all other topics, where you are working out this depreciation concepts. And we'll see the answer for the third question. So now what is the answer for this 107 and 108? So product of 7 and 8, 56. Add 7 and 8, 15, 1. Or add 8 with 107. So it is 115. So 11556 is the product of 107 and 108. The same way you could have got the answer for the fourth question also. So what's the fourth question? 109 and 112. So instead of using the general multiplication, as the numbers are in some pattern, so without any working, we can arrive at the answer easily. So practice well, so only then it will strike you in the exam, so that we can apply the shortcuts and get the answers quickly. So by practice, you can work it out easily and fastly. Now how much is 9 more than 100? 109 more than 100, it is 9 more. So this is 12 more. Product is 108. So here we get a 3-digit number. So as this is of base 100, we can have only 2 digits in this term, and this 1 should be sent to the next term, the previous one. And add 12 and 9 and 112, that is 121. And now send this 1 to the previous term, that is 12208. So product of 109 and 112 is 12208. So hope you would have got this answer. So whenever you have a 3-digit number, so send the third digit to the previous term. If it is a single digit, you substitute a 0 here. And here we have got the products easily by using the base method. So we'll see the next example.